It's been a while since we've had a look around the Jaguar Mk2. I've been very busy for the last few weeks putting all the details back into the Jaguar. It's been a really complex process, but very satisfying. You can see the quality of the interior now, all new leather, new carpets, the headlining's fitted, and all the instruments are fitted with the freshly retrimmed wood. So it's looking really good in there, it's looking amazing. All the leather's been repaired and reconalized, so it's all really soft and feels gorgeous, feels really nice now. A lot of the items that were missing from the car we've now replaced, so all these chrome strips. We're still awaiting a couple of chrome strips to come through, but generally I've got most of the parts that I require to complete the car. It's looking gorgeous, it really is looking gorgeous. It's a fabulous car. It's everything I dreamed it would be in terms of the colour combination of the opalescent gunmetal grey with the red. It just looks the classiest of colours for the Jaguar, I think.